Hi Aya, so I can see it here now, and I see what you mean. When it's shooting, it's not counting. So let's go take a look. Um, so I'm gonna go take a look in enemy bullet, and I see your rotation looks good. Okay. Um, Here you're picking a random number between 0 and 1,000, but remember there's only 360 degrees, so really you only need to go to 360. Okay. Um, Now let's go take a look at your enemy. And this is where you are adding bullets. So right here is the line where you're adding bullets to the screen. So every time this code runs, you're adding a bullet to the screen. So here is where you want to increase the counter. So here's your counter. I'm going to go look in your world. And you called it shot count. Okay. Oh, I see here you're adding one to the shot count. This is actually exactly what you want to do. The only thing is you don't want to do it here because this is the constructor of the world, which means this stuff's only going to happen once. So I'm going to cut that line out and I'm going to put it right here because this is where you keep shooting. So every time the shot timer runs out, you're going to add new bullet to the screen, and then immediately you're going to add one, indicating that you just shot one. So let's see if that helps. No, still not helping. So what do we got going on here? I'm just taking a look. We got shot count here in your enemy. We have a shot timer and your base speed. Shot count. This is where it should be happening. So it's like you're resetting your shot count or something like that. Oh, here it is. You're adding one. So we'll take it out of that. This is where you're removing the bullet from the screen. You're moving the bullet. Okay, so shot count. And you're adding one. Let's try it now. So I must be missing something. What am I missing here? Okay, I found it. So everything's perfect except right here, you're making a new counter called shot count. And right here, what you want to do is add the shot count to the screen, but what you're doing is you're adding another new counter. It's not a new counter, you want to add the counter that you've already made called shot count. So when I run it now, it's not going to look any different, but now this is actually shot count instead of it just being a random new counter. So if I run it now, there we go. Okay, so that was pretty much it. You had everything really, really well done, except when you make the counter and call it shot count, you haven't put it on the screen yet, so you have to actually put shot count here.